Hey, Chuck here for HEMA Strong with another unboxing and first impression. However, this one is going to be a little bit different. If you haven't noticed, most of the things that I buy to evaluate are related to HEMA, and this one's a little bit different. I am starting to dip my toes into Buhurt. I did the unboxing for the helmet, which will also serve as my HEMA harness helmet. But I'm unboxing an item, first impression, of something that is strictly for Buhurt. So this is a first for me. All right, so first, I want to talk about the manufacturer. This is a collaboration between American Buhurt and Krieger Armory. There is Krieger Armory in the US and Krieger Historical, I believe, in Europe. This is Krieger Armory. They're well known for their feathers and blunts. This is my sword for HEMA from Krieger Armory. It is the Sentinel Fiore. So it's a shorter blade, a little bit shorter of a handle, but Krieger's swords are very well constructed, solid, durable. This handle it just feels solid, like it's taken some solid hits, and the cord hasn't unwrapped. The crossguard just feels super solid. It's beautiful. It feels like a sword. Love it. So once I saw that Krieger Armory was collaborating with American Buhurt for a Buhurt specific sword, it wasn't the cheapest compared to some Buhurt swords, but I want to support Krieger Armory. I want to support American Buhurt, and I wanted a sword that looked awesome. So here we go. I have the box. I have most of the pink packing peanuts all over my house, but the sword is actually in a covering, so I have not seen it yet. Oh, it's a gun sock. Awesome. That's good to know. That's what I keep most of my swords in as well. So here we go. I'm going to reach. All right, it has the same pommel. The hardware looks blued, one of those beautiful Krieger handles in red. All right, and we have right out of the gate, it's a Buhurt sword when the crossguard is not very big. All right, so primary differences are how how round this tip is and how chunky it is. Let's see. So beautiful pommel. This is exactly what I wanted, even though I am partial to disc or wheel pommels for the aesthetic. Okay, so this thing is a choppy boy. The weight, probably balance is right about here, but it feels very tip heavy, like it just wants to cut, which is good because in Buhurt duels I will not be doing any thrusting. So I will say, given the nature of Buhurt duels and the longsword use, and that it's all cutting, this is exactly what I was looking for. So I will put it through its paces, but as you can see, beautiful hilt furniture from Krieger. Some nice coloring. Love that look of that fuller, partial fuller, I should say. But yeah, this thing is a beast. All right, thanks for watching, and I will have more videos coming soon where I give my follow-up impressions once I get to use all these things that I buy. Thank you for watching.